today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is an emergency for Bitcoin. And I know I said it last week and the week before, but as the time is passing, the emergencies are getting more severe, and Bitcoin is right now on knife's edge. Actually, my trade is almost, I have to say, about to get wrecked here. Of course, the question is, what is my game plan in a situation like this after this trade was already $500,000 in profits? What are the price targets I'm expecting for Bitcoin? As always, I want to deep dive into the charts and tell you exactly what the market is telling us right now. And I can tell you, it looks alarming. It looks alarming AF. However, let's stay level-headed. Let's go into the charts and let's see exactly how we can profit from this market situation right now. If you appreciate these videos in good times and bad times, go down below, press like, press subscribe, press the bell. Thank you very much for that. You are truly the most lovely and the most supportive community in the world, no matter what. And that shows you are true investors. You are keeping emotions out of the equation. And that is something I really appreciate. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price and let's see what's happening here. Well, this is the 4-hourly candles. And what you can see is since days here, once again, after we got this devastating rejection around $22,000, Bitcoin is being held down by this downward sloping trend line. And yes, Bitcoin is forming something like a horizontal support. This looks almost, it is not, but it looks almost like a descending triangle here. And descending triangles have a bias to break towards the downside. In this exact moment, it doesn't look all too good for Bitcoin. We are having lower highs and actually, I would say almost lower lows, but let's call it horizontal lows here, but the bears are actually getting stronger and the bulls are losing steam. So of course, for my specific trade, it doesn't look all too good. If we are confirming this specific trend here, we can already see, and yes, I am still in my trade, we can already see that this here has a breakdown target of 17,000. I'm not saying that we are necessarily going to reach 17,000, but what I am saying though is, my liquidation price is at $17,500. So what am I going to do if I'm going to get wrecked here? Two things I can do. Either I will add more to my position here to decrease my price, but at the same time, I am going to put in, if I lose, I still make it a win in the end. And this is every single time since 5 years. I will put in on this exchange or in another one more limit buy orders as the time passes. 17,200, 17,000, 16,500. More and more as I eventually catch the bottom for Bitcoin. And yes, it is very expensive and it is not recommended for 99% of you people watching there. But this is my game plan, my strategy right now. By the way, before I tell you my price targets and my actual predictions for Bitcoin, let me show you one thing, something I have never seen before. And I want to announce here this new partnership, a $20,000 free trading bonus. A $20,000 free trading bonus for your deposit. This is actually for BitGet. And I never ever partnered with them. This is the very first time. BitGet is offering a $20,000 deposit bonus, and this is the highest bonus ever given out. And this is the only channel which has this bonus. It's an exclusive bonus, but you have to click the link down below if you are experienced. If not, leave it out. Buy and hold. But if you're an experienced trader, you might as well take advantage of this, in my opinion, crazy at the current price, more than 1 Bitcoin in trading margin. Free bonus down below. Click, register, deposit. If you meet the deposit requirements, it's on the website after you have registered. Takes like 10-15 seconds. You get this bonus credited on BitGet as well. Of course, I was hesitating for 2 months whether I should add it, but in the App Store, 4.9 in reviews. The link is down below. And honestly, it's it is a great exchange. You can actually make long and short positions at the same time. It's like a 0% on spot trading. One of the biggest copy trading platforms, and they have billions of dollars in daily volume. So obviously one to look out for. Now let's go back here. Remember, pin comment down below. I'm an affiliate partner. I want to disclose as well. It's not sponsored, but I'm an affiliate partner, which you have to take note on, of course. So if you want to support the channel, link down below. So now, look at this. if we are actually zooming out, things are not looking that bad, right? Let me show you. On the weekly, we can see, yes, depending on how we draw this line, I wanna admit, there is a little bit room to the upside or to the downside. However, at one point, and that is around like 15,000, we just completely demolished the whole model which Bitcoin was following for the last 12 years. So in my opinion, in my humble opinion, based upon previous performance for Bitcoin, I'm pretty sure we hit the bottom yet. But this model says the bottom was either hit or it's very closely below the 17,500, which might be 16 or whatever. This is why I have this scale and strategy. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna get wrecked on this trade. I'm gonna get wrecked maybe on the next one, but eventually I catch the bottom, and as in every single cycle, I'm gonna make millions of dollars, hopefully here, on this up and coming trade. Risky one, kamikaze trade, I know. But now let me know, what is your opinion? What are you expecting for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know many of you will call me crazy. It was the same thing 4 years ago. It's always the same. But, you know, the misfits are being called misfits until they are revealed genius. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.